Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. This video is not related to a home decor. I would like to share with you my everyday lifestyle. So this is a little bit get to know me moment. I'm not only passionate of home decorating, but I also love fashion. I love to dress up and collect luxury handbags. Today, I'm collaborating with TD Blake New York to introduce their fabulous luxury handbag that makes every outfit complete. TD Blake New York reached out to me if I can review their product in my YouTube channel, and I said yes. I was a big fan of them, and this is my chance to review the product. Here's my honest review of my very first TD Blake luxury handbag. First, the leather is so soft and supple, and it's so great to touch. I love the details in the front that has two gold opening, microfiber interior, and interior side pocket. It comes with detachable shoulder strap, 35 to 47 inch, and it was expandable. The measurement of this handbag, it was 8.6 height and 4 inch wide, which total to 11 inch. Here's the strap. The strap is adjustable and very comfortable. The name of this bag is 11-inch Kim Stampato luxury handbag. And here guys, the strap is so long. Tell you what guys, the expert craftsman of TD Blake worked too hard to create this unique design. It is 100% made in Italy. At the bottom, you see those gold tone legs, and same thing in the front. The handle is very well made, as you can see over there. I'm really happy and impressed about my new luxury handbag. I also noticed the scent of true Italian leather. Everyone, I will show you 3 different styling with my Kim Stampato luxury handbag. Here's style number 1, going out in a date night with Steve, rocking this beautiful handbag. This is how I carry my Kim Stampato luxury handbag with my black dress from BB. And to complete this look, I wear my black heels, 6 inches from BB. I have this for 14 years. Then if you like the way you carry your bag, you can put a strap and wear like this. It makes you more comfortable, and I really love that there's a lot of multi-purpose in this handbag. Here's my second outfit. It was an office attire. I love the versatility of this handbag because you can do a lot of things how to carry this bag. You can carry it like this, or you can carry them with the strap like that. Here's my outfit number 3. I'm going out shopping with my beautiful handbag. I highly recommend TD Blake New York luxury handbag. It was very fashionable and looks sophisticated. I would like to say thank you to Kay from TD Blake New York for asking me to collaborate with this fantastic brand. And everyone, if you decide to purchase your very own TD Blake luxury handbag, I have $30 off discount code in my description box, so please check that out. Everyone, feel free to browse around in the TD Blake website. I will attach their link in my description box. Also, you can follow them through Instagram and Facebook. Also, the link will be in my description box. And if you're a fashionista like me, you will love this luxury handbag. I can't wait to wear this every day, and I'm really happy to have this Kim Stampato, and I highly recommend with you over there to get this handbag because it's not only take you to look simple and take you to the next level to become glamorous. Alright everyone, that's it for today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye! Don't forget to subscribe, likes, and share. And let me know guys what you think about my new collection of TD Blake New York 11-inch Kim Stampato handbag. Also guys, don't forget to follow me in Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Same thing with my Facebook. It is Glamour Ellen. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. See you.